All right, a quick update on Velo. So Velodrome is still below our green box here. Ultimately, it is still in this very bullish pattern here, off of the strong move up into this falling channel, falling wedge, however you draw your trend lines here. Depends on what you're going to call this thing here. It could be a bull flag, but ultimately it is a bullish pattern inside this move up with the higher highs and higher lows. It looks extremely well here in my opinion. Now, we could end up holding up to where we are right now. We're right on and right below the bottom of this green box here, which is a Fibonacci support level. So any lower than 14, we're at 14.15, then you would be coming down to the 618 at 11 here, which we've already went over several times that the price could still come down to that level. You would still be inside this pattern, and then we could still have a nice move to the upside at some point out of that pattern. So I would just watch this 14 area. If it holds, so be it. Maybe we'll get a breakout soon, and then once we break over 16.2 over the 17.6, or the 7.86 rather, that's when you know this thing's going to start flying, which is probably going to spike all the way up to the 1272 here at about 46 to 47 cents. And that would be a nice move up of about 192%, so just keep that in mind. If we come down to that area here, dropping below 14, then of course we're going to drop in price about 20% or so here, and then that is a must hold price. Any lower than 11, then this pattern here is out the window here. But we do have the volume. The volume went down to 0 inside this pattern. So once the volume comes back in, which you can see there is nothing going on here, the RSI here on the 3-day candles is completely flat here. So once some momentum comes back, this thing's going to take off, in my opinion. Now, as for how high Velo is going to go here, you can see we do have a couple of targets here to look at. The market cap of 2.4 million up to, or billion rather, up to the 2272 of $4, and then a $5 billion market cap up to about 860. And going from today, that would give you about a 60x if it can hit a 5 billion market cap, and then that much smaller conservative price would give you about a 28x. So I do think those are in play for Velo here. So what do you guys think? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.